Eat broccoli daily and your body will thank you with these amazing health benefits. Broccoli rocks. And no, I'm not orthorexic. It is really beneficial and you should definitely add it to your diet. The branched, green or purple tinted vegetable belongs to the family Brassicaceae Oleraceae, and it is full of healthy nutrients like vitamin C, K, folate, potassium, iron, antioxidants, and fiber, and can benefit your health in many ways. According to Sheena Patel Swanner, a registered dietitian nutritionist, it is the powerhouse of nutrients. So, are you ready to add this super vegetable to your diet? Well, keep watching. In today's video, we will share with you the 13 amazing health benefits of broccoli. Number 1. High levels of antioxidants. Broccoli is highly rich in antioxidants, and therefore it might be the reason that consumption of this nutrition-packed vegetable results in controlled blood sugar levels. According to a study in the International Journal of Food Science and Nutrition, eating broccoli oil every day for a month can significantly decrease insulin resistance. And it is not only about diabetes. The high antioxidant content benefits your whole body by preventing the damaging effect of free radicals and inflammation. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 2. Good for mental health. Broccoli is full of several bioactive compounds and nutrients that support the healthy and proper functioning of the nervous system, and it can even improve your memory thanks to the choline and vitamin K in it. A study published in the Journal of Trace Elements in Medicine and Biology shows that broccoli contains a highly potent bioactive compound called sulforaphane. It lowers neural inflammation after a brain injury. Moreover, this compound also plays a vital role in brain tissue recovery and prevents diseases like Alzheimer's disease and dementia, common in old age. Number 3. Improves digestion. Broccoli supports a healthy digestive system and bowel movements due to its high content of fiber and antioxidants. According to a study in journal Nutrition Hospitalaria, people who take broccoli in their regular diet can defecate more readily and easily than those who do not consume this vegetable. And because of healthy digestion, it can even solve your weight gain problems. Thinking about adding it to your diet? It tastes great when roasted with a little olive oil, garlic, and lemon. Number 4. Prevents chronic diseases. Consumption of cruciferous vegetables like broccoli may prevent the risk of several chronic diseases like heart disorders, diabetes, and asthma due to the abundance of certain phenolic compounds. A study published in the journal named Plant Foods for Human Nutrition showed a highly protective impact against cell death and oxidative stress in heart tissues of mice that were fed broccoli sprouts after a cardiac attack. Another study shows that bioactive compounds of broccoli inhibit changes in the DNA that can lead to chronic diseases. Number 5. Slows down aging process. No doubt you cannot prevent the natural process of aging, but you can slow it down with a proper and healthy diet. The bioactive compound sulforaphane in broccoli may help slow down the aging process. According to research published in the Journal of Experimental Biology, by elevating the expression of antioxidant genes, sulforaphane might significantly reduce the biochemical process of aging and prevent diseases common in old age like cognitive impairment, macular degeneration, and osteoporosis. Number 6. Good for hair care. Everyone wishes for thick, healthy, and shiny hair. Broccoli might help you get your dream hair as it is rich in vitamin A and C. These vitamins not only prevent hair loss, but also regulate the production of sebum on the scalp, thus keeping your hair moisturized. According to one study, the bioactive compounds of broccoli can increase hair strand count and promote the growth of healthy hair in people suffering from hair loss. Number 7. Improves immunity. One of the essential nutrients to maintain a healthy immune system is vitamin C, and broccoli is full of this vitamin. According to a study in the journal named Nutrients, we can prevent many infections by adding 100 milligrams to 200 milligrams of vitamin C to our daily diet. Moreover, vitamin C not only prevents, but also cures many infections and diseases. Sulforaphane, a bioactive compound in broccoli, also has immunomodulatory functions. It stimulates the immune cells, increases antibody production, and decreases inflammatory cytokine levels. Number 8, may help with metabolism. A healthy metabolism can reduce the risk of many diseases, including obesity. Being rich in vitamins A, C, D, and K, fibers, folate, and various other nutrients, broccoli is associated with an increased rate of metabolic functions in the human body. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that diets rich in glucosinolates like broccoli can improve metabolism as it increases the number of antioxidants in the body and allow metabolic machinery to work better. Number 9, good for dental and oral health. Eating broccoli regularly can prevent certain oral diseases and support dental health. The brassica vegetable has high calcium and vitamin C. Both these compounds are essential in avoiding the risk of periodontal infections. According to a research study in Cancer Prevention Research, sulforaphane, the bioactive compound in broccoli, plays a significant role in lowering the risk of oral cancer. Its high iron content also plays a role in creating a protective coating on tooth enamel and keeps your smile bright. Eat 2 to 3 servings of this nutritious vegetable to get these benefits. You can add it to multiple dishes like fried rice, pasta, soup, salad, and chicken stir-fry. Number 10, beneficial for skin. Consumption of broccoli can play an essential role in preventing skin cancer caused by direct contact with harmful ultraviolet rays. According to a research study on humans in Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences of the United States of America, the bioactive compounds in broccoli have highly protective effects against UV radiation, and thus protect your skin from damage and development of cancer following exposure to direct sunlight. Plus, the high vitamin C and iron content nourishes the skin, promotes collagen formation, and reduces the appearance of wrinkles and spots. Number 11, supports healthy bones and joints. Broccoli has an abundance of nutrients essential in maintaining healthy bones and joints. What's more, some of the compounds found in this super vegetable can even prevent bone-related diseases. According to a study in the Journal of Cellular Physiology, sulforaphane, a bioactive compound in broccoli, plays a vital role in preventing osteoarthritis. So, are you ready to add this vegetable to your diet and get healthy bones? If you don't like its taste, you can add it to your morning smoothie. The flavor will blend with other ingredients, and you will get all the health benefits of this vegetable. Number 12, beneficial for ocular health. Being rich in compounds like beta-carotene, phosphorus, zeaxanthin, and vitamins A, B, C, and E, broccoli plays the primary role in eye care. According to a study in the journal Nutrients, zeaxanthin and lutein, highly active compounds abundant in broccoli, can prevent oxidative stress and inflammation in the eyes. Number 13, supports a healthy pregnancy. In pregnancy, both mother and baby require a high amount of proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Broccoli is a rich source of folate that plays an essential role in the formation of the spinal cord and nervous system of the fetus. According to a study in the Journal of Behavioral Brain Research, regular intake of broccoli during pregnancy promotes healthy fetal development. So, are you planning to add this nutritious vegetable to your daily diet? Sure, that's a wise decision. But remember, no doubt broccoli has countless health benefits. Too much consumption of this vegetable may cause bloating and abdominal pain. Therefore, it is essential to eat it in small portions of your meal. Broccoli might not be your taste bud's favorite, but the health-related advantages of this vegetable are undoubtedly a gift from nature. Will you start eating broccoli after watching this video? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!